When I look into the collective humanity today, what I see of the people in my life and those that come and go is universally the same human problem. We as a human race have lost how to live a quality life, how to be in life, fully committed to life. You may be feeling lost, hopeless, powerless, confused, or an overall sense of life is meant to be more than you currently know how to receive from life. People get stuck on how exactly to live their life to its fullest or what to do. They don't know how to make life what they want it to be, and they feel like their hands are tied. They feel stuck and like they don't know where to go. They may think thoughts like, I can never make it any better. It's never going to feel okay. Where I am just isn't enough. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm here to offer you the solution, the key, the bridge, the change, the awakening. The answer to a better feeling life doesn't have to happen years from now, and the change doesn't start with that huge thing you have no idea how to achieve. A better feeling life starts today, tomorrow, forever. Each day is life. The truth is, a better feeling life happens exactly as you're living now. But when you observe, examine, and take a look at the resistance to your life, you can make different choices each day, how you show up, and how you relate to life in the direction you're moving in. We must start by figuring out what resistance is keeping us from living our fullest, highest quality of life. The solution, the answer, the gift is in the resistance. We then must figure out our unique values, what brings us joy, and live our life by that. For instance, one person might value feeling important, special, and loved. They value helping people out, but what they really want when they help someone is not just the closeness and connection they get when that person trusts them enough to ask for help and bring them closer, but they need to feel seen and acknowledged. When they help, what they value the most is to feel like that person is showing them attention, affection, acknowledging them as a special and important, like they matter. They may need gratitude and hugs. Their value is to feel like they matter, and so everything they do in their life should be made from that place, like meeting their own needs, asking for special attention and thanks when they help someone, having a party and celebration of them and only them, volunteering at an organization that really appreciates their efforts to help, where they get to connect directly with the people they are helping. Another person may value freedom and power as well as community connection, and their life may look like going for walks deep into nature so far it feels like they are disappearing from the world, having gatherings with friends based on connection, and choosing things like clothes and food and activities that give them a sense of personal power. They may choose a career where they are most excellent, therefore giving them a sense of power. When we make simple life changes and know what we are living for, when we get past the resistance that stops us from doing this, we get to connect with the purpose of life again. The purpose of life is to have a sense of meaning. Being connected to life means being connected to the small things like water, light, people, seeing your loved ones, joy, softness. Every aspect of life is life, but it's all about how connected and aware and present we are with life, how much we receive it, how we feel about it, the choices we make each and every day that take us further or closer to our personal truth. And knowing our personal truth connects us to our sense of being one with life instead of separate to it or a victim to it. We need to find our free will. We need to find our power. We need to take ownership of our life and know there is something we can do about it. Join Becoming Life, a workshop I have created this Saturday, August 6th, where we will dive into all of these topics and more. It's going to be at 10 a.m. Eastern. Reserve your ticket today.